Hello, Tim Brassfield with Stanley Martin Custom Homes, coming from Arlington, Virginia here, where we are doing what we call the drywall tape coat today, and I will show you what that means. Here you can see I am in the living room kitchen area of one of my houses where they have hung the drywall. They have installed what we call corner bead, which is a metal L-shaped bead that gets attached to the corners, make the corners nice and strong. And then the tape coat is what they're doing here, which is it's a paper tape that gets adhered to the drywall with a drywall mud. And this is what seals the joints. See here, we've got a drywall opening separating the eating room from the family room. And I'll show you how this takes place. So you put his tape, the mud coat first, then the tape, and then smooth it out with the drywall knife. And once that dries, we'll come back tomorrow or the next day once it's dry, and we do what's called a block coat. Okay? So that is, once again, what we call drywall tape coat. Thanks for watching.